So, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a fast formula for car allowance. Let's move ahead and see our requirements. So, our requirement is if the employee salary is greater than 10,000, then the car allowance element will be skipped, or else it will be calculated in the payroll. So, if the salary is above 10,000, then we have created a car allowance element. So if the salary is above 10,000, it will skip that element, or if it is below 10,000, it will include the car allowance element into the payroll calculation. And here we have created another element, which is gross salary. And uh, we are taking amount input value from there, and we are using element skip formula type, and it will only return a variable which is skip flag. And Return variable can be like values can be y or n, which stands for yes and no. Let's move to our formula and see. So I have taken a name. It is skip car allowance, and element type you can see is element skip. And description, the formula is skip if the gross salary is more than 10,000. This is the amount input value from gross salary element, and we have defaulted the value. And we have taken another L amount variable and have initialized with 0, and we have assigned gross salary amount to that L amount variable. Initially, it will be uh, skip flag will be no. It will not skip the element. And then after that, we have included a condition. If L amount is greater than 10,000, then it will skip the flag. Like it will skip the element. And in the last statement, it will return the skip flag variable. So let's move to our instance, and let me come to home page. And if we scroll down, we'll click on show more. So I'll first add the fast formula. Click on fast formula. I'll click on add button, and let's copy the name from here. I'll copy skip car allowance. Let's choose the formula type as element skip. Legislative data group we are going to take as US. Let me provide the effective date as 1101. I'll click on continue, and now let's copy this formula, and I'm going to paste it over formula text. Now let's save the formula. I'll submit, and let's just compile the formula. Okay, let me refresh it again. Okay, so it has been compiled. Now let's move to element and attach this formula. So here it is, elements. Uh, okay, I'll show you first both of the elements which I have created. First is salary US, and the legislative data group is US. So this is one gross salary. So based on gross salary amount, we are going to calculate. Sorry, we are going to decide whether it is going to skip the element, car allowance element, or not. So here it is. We are going to apply the skip formula into uh, car allowance US. Let me click on car allowance and I'll change the effective date as 1101 and let me click on edit. I'll click on update and if you scroll down here you can see skip rule. So I'll click on that and let's just search for our uh, formula. Here it is, skip car allowance. Uh, Let me click on save and I'll click on submit. Okay, so let's move back and first let me check the fast formula for the existing element. Sorry, for the car allowance element, car allowance, and the legislative data group will be US. Okay, so before we execute this, we need to compile these all formula. So let me click on this. I'll click on compile. Let's just refresh. Okay, one has been compiled. Okay, okay. So all the formula for the car allowance US has been compiled. Now let's go to the person management and let me search for a person and I'll click on action, payroll, element entries. Okay, let me remove these. We'll reattach the element. Okay, so I'll click on add button over here and let me search for my gross salary element. Here it is, gross salary US. I'll click on continue and here you can see input value amount. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to provide a value which is greater than 10,000. So I'll take 12,000. I'll click on save and we'll click on done. Now let's add our car allowance element. Okay. Uh, Let me provide a pay value of 1,000 and I'll click on save and I'll click on 10 done. Now just we need to run the payroll. So I click on show more and search for quick pay payments. Here we need to search for the person. Here it is, our person 1031 and all the elements has been attached. So let's just click on submit. I'll click on submit and we'll wait for the payroll to get calculated. Okay, so let me scroll down and if we expand this gross pay. Here you see there is no car allowance element included over here. So let me click on action and I'll click on delete, and we'll try to run our other condition. Okay, so I'll click on edit over here and I'll edit the amount to, let's say, 9,000, and let me click on submit. And now let's try to submit the payroll again. Okay, so let me click on gross pay. And now you can see our condition is both of the condition are okay. And our car allowance US earning result is there. Like car allowance US element is there. And the value which the pay value which we have given is 1,000. That has also been included over here. So that's all for this video. We will meet in the next video with some more cases. Thank you.